There's a rhythm to Phnom Penh, one that pulses through the saffron robes of monks at dawn, echoes in the clang of tuk-tuks weaving through colonial boulevards, and whispers from the shadows of a complex past. Hello mga Magayonon! Welcome to Cambodia's vibrant capital where ancient traditions meet modern hustle. This is my first time in Phnom Penh and I'm diving headfirst into its soul, exploring golden palaces, bustling markets, riverside cafes, and stories etched into every corner. From the haunting silence of Tuol Slong to the joyful chaos of Central Market, this city is a mosaic of contrast. Join me as I navigate the unexpected, taste the unforgettable, and uncover the heart of Phnom Penh, one moment at a time. So this is the Royal Palace. Ayan, so papasok na kami ng Royal Palace. Sana hindi ako masita. Kasi yung ano ko, may slit ako sa harap. Pero, we'll see. Ayan siya. So, dito yung ticket booth going over there. So you can pay for you to get inside. Ayan, dito siya. Ticket booth. Recommended. So this is how you should dress. Look. Recommended, ayun sa mga lalaki. Bawal yung mga yan. Yun ba ata? To go in. Hello! So this, papunta sa harap. Here. Ayun. So magbabayad na kami ng ticket. Ito yung magbabayad. Magkano siya? Entrance is $10. Ayan o. Entrance is $10, so we'll pay $10. Boom! Ayan o, ang ganda! Ang ganda-ganda. Ito yung Royal Palace. Tapos nandito rin yung Silver Pagoda. And malapit na rin dito yung National Museum. Ayan. Ayan, papasok na kami dito sa... I don't know kung anong building yung ito. Pero dito kasi sabi niya, please keep silent daw. Please don't take picture inside. So bawal mag-take ng photo. So hindi ko kayo mabibigyan ng photo dito. Pero siguro video pwede siya. Ayan. From here, but this place was the elephant stable. So ngayon, pupunta na kami sa National Museum. Kakagaling lang namin sa Royal Palace and it's so beautiful. Oh, diba? We hired tuk-tuk for $25,000. Sorry, it's $25. Oh, diba nga? Ay, nakikita ko na. Ayan kami. Siguro malapit lang dito yung ano, National Museum daw, sabi ni Kuya. Okay, I'll see you there, guys. Mwah!
Pero at least yung intro mo, mapapaon na sila. Ay, wow!
Talaga, mapapaon. Tingnan nga natin kanon. Talaga.
Catchy.
Catchy na intro.
Pwede na mag-post na naman.
So yan, papasok na kami ngayon sa National Museum. Another $5. Oh my God. Kanina $25. I mean, magkano nga yung binayad natin, friendly, sa Royal Palace? $10. Ngayon dito is $5. National Museum. But I think hindi siya pwedeng makapag-ano. Ito yung babayaran. Okay. Kaya National Museum. National Museum! Ito ang outfitan ng lola mo ngayon. Diba? Okay, let's go. So dito ka magbabayad for ticket office and audio guides. Meron pala siya, friend, na audio guides din. Ayan siya. This is the National Museum. Yung friend ko nagbabayad na siya. Diba? Pretty oh. So this is it. Ayan o. So $5. Foreigner ages from 10 to 17 years old. Eh paano yan? 9 years old pa lang ako.
You're free.
I'm free. So hindi pala siya ano, $5, $10 pala siya ang bayad for adults. Ako na pa 570 pesos na naman kami. 580 siguro. Oo. Ay nako. Medyo mahal din dito mag-tour ah. Pero let's see. Nag-CR lang yung friend ko. So I think I'm just gonna wait for her. Ticket office and locker behind you. Tapos bibigyan ko yun ng ticket ng ganyan. Keep off grass. Okay. I'll just wait for my friend. Wala na yung masyadong Para alam mo, napansin ko dito, karamihan naman nagbibisita dito, mga thunders na. Naku, malapit na talaga ako maging thunders din. Kasi mga pinupuntahan ko mga ganito. Pero ang ganda dito, oh. Sana pwedeng ang alam ko bawal mag-video sa taas, sa loob. You know, di siya pwedeng videoan. So pwede lang tingin, pero okay lang para makita natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng museum ng Cambodia, Phnom Penh. Okay, enough for me. Please like and subscribe naman kayo mga guys para naman dumami naman ang ako subscriber. My God, ha? Up until now, 59 lang subscribers ang lola mo. Kawawa naman siya. Kawawa. Okay, see you guys sa loob if pwedeng pumasok sa loob na mag-video sa loob. I'll show you. Okay. Thank you. In the quiet heart of Phnom Penh, where the past breathes softly through terracotta walls, the National Museum sounds like a cauldron of memory. Here, centuries unfold in silence, stone faces of ancient gods gaze through time, and delicate carvings whispers of empires lost and reborn. It's more than just a museum, it's a sanctuary of stories where every sculpture, every shard carries the weight of a civilization that's once shaped the soul of Southeast Asia. From the elegance of Angkorian art to the mysteries of prehistory, each gallery is a step deeper into Cambodia's period. The eight-armed Vishnu, the serene Apsara, the echoes of Funan and Chenla, they wait not just to be seen, but to be felt. Just a few steps away from the Royal Palace, the National Museum of Cambodia is the country's largest cultural history museum and a treasure trove of Khmer heritage. Opened in 1920 and designed in a traditional Khmer style by French architect Georges Grossier, the museum itself is a work of art with terracotta roofs, serene courtyards, and elegant carvings that once echoes Cambodia's ancient temples. Inside, you'll find over 14,000 artifacts from prehistoric tools to intricate sculptures from the Angkor Empire. Highlights include the eight-armed Vishnu from Nom Da, graceful Apsara dancers, and relics from the Funan and Chenla periods, as I've mentioned earlier. So, whether you're a history buff or just curious about Cambodia's soul, this museum offers a quiet, powerful glimpse into the artistry and resilience of a civilization that shaped Southeast Asia. Friendly, maganda here. Look. Independence. Ooh. So ayan, pupunta na kami sa Philip Field. Oh my God, I'm so excited para malaman yung history ng Khmer Rouge. Ngayon, para makita nyo, oh my God, I'm loving Phnom Penh. Ang ganda-ganda dito sa Phnom Penh, promise. So pag pupunta kayo ng Cambodia, make sure na pumunta kayo dito sa Phnom Penh. Maganda siya, promise. Kasi normally, di ba, pupunta lang tayo ng Cambodia because of the Angkor Wat. But there's a lot of things that you can actually see and learn in Cambodia. I'm telling you guys, it's beautiful here. Di ba? Oh, ayan. Nakatutok lang kami. Okay, I'll see you later. Mwah!